Virtual reality, or as it's more commonly known, VR, is a fully immersive computer-simulated environment. Users experience this through wearing a VR headset which projects an environment and gives a user the feeling of being there. Some environments that video game developers have already developed are being in a driver's seat, being on the battlefield, or even being in your own little town. However, you are not really in that virtual world, you are just a spectator overseeing events. The most common way to experience VR is through a headset. This device houses a stereoscopic display, meaning the user's eyes perceive things in three-dimensional. It also gives depth to an image, emulating how our eyes work. Alongside the stereoscopic imagery, the headset also has the ability to track the user's motion, particularly their head movements. So the image will change with your perspective. So just like using a mouse or a controller to turn your camera, you have to turn your head. The display will render whatever is in your view. Most VR applications include other sensory simulation, such as sound and vibration. By incorporating sound, vibration, and imagery, the brain will perceive the VR environment as the new reality. Motion tracking is also important to VR. When syncing together the actions of the user in the real world and the virtual world, the brain can be tricked into believing the imagery that you can see. This means if you lift your arm while standing in the living room, your arm will also lift in the VR environment, as long as you are holding the controllers. The user should also be able to feel, touch, and interact with objects in the VR environment. This is done through tactile feedback by using small weighted motors in each hand controller, similar to how a phone will vibrate when you are texting or receiving a call. Virtual reality has a lot of practical purposes outside of gaming, such as training simulators for soldiers, pilots, and doctors. But it's pretty cool for gaming too. Devices like the Oculus Rift S have advanced the VR experience by including superior graphics, improved latency, and a wider range of motion. A reduced cost of components is also allowing virtual reality devices to become more affordable to consumers. My name is Julian, and that's it for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video of what is VR.